In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Hungry Shark game app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, first for you to get this app, you need to go ahead and look for another app that is Play Store. So go to your apps, find Play Store, and you can see mine is here. If you tap on it, log in with your Gmail account before you can search. Here now go ahead and search using this search bar. However, if you don't see this search bar, then you should see a search icon down below. Just go ahead and tap on it to activate the search bar and just search for Hungry Shark. I'll just type like that. Make sure the spelling is correct before you tap on search. Now we have our Hungry Shark Evolution app is here. To know that is the right app, make sure it is from Ubisoft Entertainment, and this is the current logo. Currently, this game has a review of 4.4 out of 5 with over 6 million reviews, and the average size is 161 MBs, though this might have changed. And this has quite a number of downloads. You can see it has over 500 million downloads. So if you see these statistics, then you will know that you have the right app. To get it, tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Hungry Shark Evolution and then install it on your smartphone. So that's how you can install the right Hungry Shark game app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.